Good morning, guys. We are going to continue talking about area today. It's going to be a little bit more difficult than it was yesterday. This is stuff that you've seen before, but we are reviewing it just to make sure that we have time to practice, and it's kind of going to take you into two parts of area. Okay, so yesterday we talked about labeling the rows and the columns on a shape for area, okay? And this is really going to get you in the practice of being able to do it when it's two parts. So over here we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows, and we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 columns, okay? Now I know if I see the word area that I am multiplying, okay? Always remember area means multiply. Well, now I have my numbers. Before that, if I didn't label this, I wouldn't know what I'm multiplying. But now I do. I know I'm multiplying 5 times 7. Okay? And I know 5 times 7 is 35. So 35 is my area. Okay? So again, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows going down. And I need to count the columns. Now, I still count this one, even though I counted it for here. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay? So rows and columns, I know it's area, so I'm multiplying those two numbers, and I get 35. So the area for this rectangle is 35. Okay? Okay, so now remember that as we go into this next one. Okay? Now I have an odd shape here, and I need to be able to break it into two parts because I can't multiply this and this because I'm missing a big section right here. So what you need to do is you need to break it into two pieces. So I'm going to find where I can break it into two pieces, and that's right here. I'm going to cut all the way across evenly. Okay? Do a darker color. Okay? So I'm going to cut my shape right here. So now I have this shape, which is a rectangle. And I have this rectangle right here. Okay? So now I've broken it into two rectangles. So let's start with the red. Again, I'm going to count my rows and columns. Okay? I have 1, 2 rows, and I have 1, 2, 3 columns. Now, make sure, notice I stopped when I got to that red line. I'm only talking about this red section right here. Okay? So now I know I'm multiplying 2 times 3, which is 6. So my area for this red shape right here is 6. Now I'm not done. This is a multi-step problem. Now I'm going to come over to the blue, and I'm going to again label the rows and columns. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I still count this one, 9. Okay? So over here, I have 9 times 4. If you don't know 9 times 4, draw your circles over here and figure that out. Once you do get your answer, you're going to get 36. So over here, my area is 36. Now, I have two answers right now. I have 36 and I have 6. Now, I need to know all of the area, right? So that means I'm going to take 36 from over here, and I'm going to take 6 from over here, and I'm going to add them. 6 plus 6 is 12. 3 plus 1 is 4. So my total area for the whole thing is 42. Okay? 42. So when you have an odd L shape like this, you need to break it into two different parts. Okay, so we have another example of an L shape. So remember, first thing you need to do, break it into parts, because you have a big chunk here missing. I can't just count this and count this. So I'm going to use 2 colors again. Well, they've already kind of broken it up for us, but I'm still going to draw my lines. So I have this shape right here. See how they have a line already for us? On the other one, I had to make my own line, but on this one, they kind of broke it up already. So I have red, and then I'm going to have a blue shape. Okay. For red, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And 4 times 4 is 16. So I have 16. Okay, for blue, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So over here, I have 10 times 4, which I know is 40. Okay, so what do I need to do with 40 and 16? Remember, I found my area, I multiplied. I found my area, I multiplied. Now what do I need to do with those two numbers? I need to add them. So I'm going to take my 40 from over here. I'm going to take my 16 from over here. And I'm going to add them. Okay, 0 plus 6 is 6. 4 plus 1 is 5. So my total area is 56 square feet. Okay. Alright guys, that's the end of our lesson for today. Remember, you are breaking these into 2 pieces. Okay, so on this one right here, see, they broke it already for us. I can definitely see a square and I can see a rectangle. Okay, but on the one before, they left it open. So what I would have done here, you could either divide it down this way, or you could divide it down this way, okay, to make another shape. So you're making another shape, and you're creating 2 shapes, okay? Make sure to draw it out on your paper. Take your time, guys. Good luck.